Sup YouTube, Official Gaming Network, and this is a new game that I am working on. It is called Abandoned Science. I'll explain the concept later. But yeah, I'm working on a new game. I'm going to make development sort of videos with this as it goes on in development. And this is the first build. Development has been going quite slowly. I started this about 3 weeks ago, but some days I program, some days I don't, and only like a few days I really get a lot of programming done. But yeah, this is going slowly, but hey, it's not like I'm working at an actual company and have a deadline. So yeah, I'm making this with my friend Daniel. He's going to be helping with graphics, web design, and maybe some level design as well. But I'm doing all the programming. So yeah, this is a very pre-alpha build, so it's not gonna be that good. But yeah, I'm happy with what I made. Alright, so if I go about, come on. Whoa, okay. Let's go back. If I go to about, then you see about has not yet been added to Abandoned Science. Alright, so we'll click play. I don't have that much graphics so far, and it's not that good. I will do some improving in the future. This is just temporary art. If you see these sort of white little spaces, I'm not sure about these. I'll probably just draw some images to sort of fill it in, although they're not going to be real bricks. So yeah, we have collision detection with bricks, and yeah, this my company was originally going to be called Guest Games, but since I have my bud in it, Daniel, I sort of want to change it because Guest is my last name, and yeah, now I want to change it because it seems a bit selfish. So yeah, we can push this box around everywhere we want, and if it's on, then we activate it, and if the button is activated, then we can go through the door, and we can activate it as well. So yeah, and if we try to go through the door, then I have this speedy tile thing, where if we go in it, then we'll see we go 2 times faster, but if we try to go the other way, then we go a bit slower. Yeah, there's a bug I'm working on, so yeah, it doesn't, yeah, so it keeps going until you stop the key releasing. Yeah, and so alright, so we have these teleporter things we can go through. Yeah, right now there's only I don't know. Yeah, now you can't go in it again because it's a bug that I'm fixing. And yeah. So as you might have seen in the menu, there is a level editor, which I'm very proud of. It's the first time I made an actual level editor, and hopefully I use it to make the levels for this game. So I'll go jump into it. Alright, we see we've placed a brick already, so there's different blocks, there's all these things, speedy, spike, which I haven't added yet. It's pretty much just a teleporter for now, and a teleporter and a player. Alright, so yeah, we can go add some bricks and all that, some boxes. Yeah, I'm just using sort of like the concrete or the ground sprite for things that don't have a sprite yet. So yeah, we can add a door, speedy. Yeah, this is a graphical glitch I'm working on. Yeah, they'll be fixed hopefully in the next update. Spike, which I haven't added, so it's nothing, and a teleporter, and of course player. Alright, so, and of course we can save. Right, we'll save it as testing 1 2 3. Actually, let's call it lol with random name. Okay, alright, I'm gonna press OK, and then we have saved our file. So now if we click new, then it'll obviously clear it, and if we click load, it was called lolvid. Yeah, boom, there we go. We can click on tiles to select them, and if we move our mouse, we can drag them around, but dragging them too far still causes them to stop. Yeah, so we can just drag them around. Yep, simple as that. And if you press delete, then it obviously deletes them. And yeah, I'm going to show you how the level editing thing works, because in case you want to know, then I'll explain the concept of the concepts of the game. Okay, goodbye, see you back soon. Alright, so this is our lolvid file thing. The file name is lolvid.as level, which stands for abandoned science level. And yeah, what you see is pretty much just a bunch of numbers and true, which shouldn't be happening. I have to work on that because some of these should be false. Anyway, and yeah. Yeah, so what you see is a bunch of numbers, but this is the code that makes up the level. So I'll show you how it works. So here, this is the x coordinate and this is the y coordinate. I'm using doubles, which is pretty much just same as integers, but you can use decimals as well. Yeah, just for better placement and all that. Yeah, I just think doubles are better for making games. Alright, so you got the x and y coordinates. This is the width and height, and this is this determines if the thing is solid or not, the block. And this number here is the numerical ID. Wait, actually, I'm not sure about everything. I'm gonna go double check. Sorry, I haven't worked on this in a while or really looked at the code in a while. Okay. Alright, guys, sorry about that. So each block, of course, has its own ID, and usually it will be something like brick, but when I tried that, it didn't work, so I used numerical IDs only for the level encryption system, just like in Minecraft. And sort of this is the block's facing value, so yeah, this determines which way it's facing. And this is the link. So what the link is, you know my button you saw before? Yeah, that has a link, and the door, of course, has a link as well. And so yeah, it pretty much just links them together, so if the button is activated, open the door with the same link as the button. And yeah, if it doesn't have a link, then just return these 9999s. Alright, so that's pretty much it. And so I have a scanner in my code. It scans them, then yeah, so it scans the x and y coordinates, places the x and y coordinates, determines if it's true, and yeah, you know what I mean. Alright, so now I'm going to explain the actual concept of the game. So the storyline is a bit like Portal, and yeah, this science lab has test subjects things. Wait, no, it's actually aliens. You are captured and taken to a different planet because these aliens want to do testing on extraterrestrial species, which will be humans in the game. So yeah, there's testing and all that, and sorry, I can't quite remember the story, but oh yeah, actually the aliens were going to build a new testing lab, because this one here is the old one, but you accidentally get put into the old testing lab, which is going to be demolished as you are testing a level. So each level you have a limited amount of time to complete, and I might add another thing. Actually, I have an idea for another thing, which yeah, another part of the story which you will never find out. Okay, so yeah, if you enjoyed, leave a like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for more program tutorials, gaming tutorials, and game development show-off thing tutorials. Okay, alright, see you soon, bye.